Want to clear your YouTube search history, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete your search history on the YouTube app. Now let's get started. To delete your YouTube search history, open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon in the bottom menu. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Then tap Manage All History. You can then tap the X beside an item in your history to remove it. Tap Delete to confirm. Or tap the X beside a date to remove history from that day. To delete history in bulk, tap Delete at the top. Then choose to delete history from today, from a custom date range, or tap Delete All Time to clear all your YouTube search and watch history on your account. Tap Delete at the bottom to confirm. That's all it takes to delete your search history on YouTube. For more helpful YouTube tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.